Hello, Elizabeth Gerard with Whole Body Healing, Acupuncture and Wellness. We are an acupuncture and Chinese medicine clinic specializing in pain and stress management. Today I want to share with you some of our favorite products to help with pain relief that you can use at home. Most of these products can only be bought or prescribed by a licensed healthcare practitioner, so it's important that you set up a patient account with Lhasa OMS using the link below. When you get to their website, you need to set up an account. Go to My Account, create an account. Fill out all the information, select Patient, and underneath your practitioner's name, please put Elizabeth Gerard. This should allow you access to purchase the product. If you have questions or issues, please feel free to contact me or Lhasa OMS directly. Let's get started. So the first product that I want to talk about is a topical CBD cream. CBD is derived from hemp, which is the non-psychoactive component to cannabis. It is thought that it helps decrease inflammation, relaxes the muscles, decreases muscle tension. I like this brand particularly, and this is a level 4. It is for severe pain. Most of the patients that come into my office have severe chronic pain, so I oftentimes will suggest this severe one. So some of my favorite uses for CBD is just applying a little bit to your neck and shoulders and just massaging into that area. You can also put it on your low back, glute, and hips, but it's really good for arthritis as well. So you can use it on these smaller joints, your hands, and your knees as well. So my favorite product is Tiger Balm. It's a topical muscle rub, similar to all the other muscle rubs, but this one is a little bit stronger. It has a really aromatic smell. It definitely gives that cooling heat sensation on your skin. This one comes in 2 different sizes. I like the big size. They do come in smaller one. And this one is the ultra strength. Again, I tend to use a little bit of stronger products for my patients. This is clear. I love this one. I use it so much, I often joke and say that it's my perfume. If you have come to my office, you have most certainly had some Tiger Balm. So another product that I really like are these topical herbal patches. This is called the Wu Yang brand. This is my favorite. They come in a long strip, and you can just cut them to the size that you need. This is an herbal plaster. The herbs in here help increase blood circulation, decrease swelling, and it's great because the plaster sticks right onto the area. I suggest these for smaller joints. You could use them on sort of your low back, hip, knee area, but I find that they're best for hands, wrist, ankle, and feet. So good for carpal tunnel, Morton's neuroma, plantar fasciitis, also arthritis in the hands and feet, bone spurs. So this is this topical product that I would suggest for those. So one of the most commonly used products or accessories that we use at our office, and we use it with almost every single patient, is a TDP lamp. This is a heat lamp. It has an infrared light to it, and then it also has a mineral plate with 33 different elements, which then get absorbed into your skin. So a TDP works by warming up the area, and then it also increases blood circulation to help decrease inflammation. This is by far my favorite tool for helping to decrease inflammation and pain in patients. How I suggest using it, especially if you're in acute pain, is by using a TDP lamp over the affected area for about 20 to 40 minutes once or twice a day until the pain decreases or calms down. So the next product that I use quite a bit for pain are cups. These are great. They're silicone cups. They're really easy to use. Basically, you just squeeze them and they create a nice suction, and they're wonderful for muscle pain. I use cups a lot. If you've never heard of the therapy, it's called cupping therapy. This set comes with 3 different sizes. There's a larger set, a medium, and then a small one, which is great for facial rejuvenation. So cupping works by basically creating a suction onto an area and pulling up sort of these dead red blood cells out of the muscles. You'll see sometimes a circle of a light pink or a light purple. And this is those dead red blood cells coming up to the surface so that your lymphatic system can push those out. Cupping is wonderful for pain, but it's also good for detoxing the system as well. One of the uses that I like to use with them that's not really commonly known is for chest congestion. So again, if you have an upper respiratory infection, putting the cups on your upper chest and your upper back really helps to break up that congestion so that hopefully you can cough that mucus up. I use cupping quite a bit. I love it in my office. If you need some help with sort of how to do cupping, contact our office. We can always set up a telehealth session and do sort of some cupping and show you the basics on how to do it. Another wonderful suggestion are these patent herbal formulas. There are herbs that are wonderful for pain, but it's really important to find the specific herbal formula for you. I suggest setting up an herbal consult via telehealth or in our office so that we can find the best herbs to fix what's going on with you. So my last go-to product are seeds and magnets. These provide a little bit of acupressure on some of the points. I like to use them on almost every single one of my patients. They're safe for kids, they're safe for adults, and they just provide a little bit of pressure on acupuncture points that you put them on. My favorite acupuncture point is a auricular point in the ear called Shenmen. This point really helps to get you to relax, and it grounds you. I use it and leave it in almost every single one of my patients. It's also really good for pain, and it calms the nervous system down. They can stay on for anywhere from about 3 to 5 days as long as they're not causing any pain. If it becomes irritated, just peel it off and throw it away. So lastly, our office is offering telehealth sessions, 20 to 30 minutes, going over different options for conditions that you may be going through. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you learned something about these products and something that will really help you at home.